Hello children, welcome to today's English online class. As children, in this class let us see the revision of Unit 7, A Chubby Little Snowman poem. Okay children, already we have learned this. Once again let us recall this one. Let us read this poem children. A Chubby Little Snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. Anonymous. So this poem is about what? Snowman. Here you can see now. He is snowman. So he is having what? A carrot nose. So along came a rabbit. Why? What do you suppose? See here, that hungry little bunny looking for his lunch. He was very hungry. Who? This little bunny. Okay children. So he saw that carrot nose. Whose carrot nose this is? The snowman's carrot nose. And he ate that carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. Biting small pieces. Right children? So this is about a chubby little snowman poem. So let us say, let's learn new words. Chubby, hungry, nibble, lunch. Next, let us see these sentences. Palomi's younger brother has chubby cheeks. I feel very hungry after playing football. I have lots of salad for lunch. Mummy gets angry if I nibble on my food. Right children? Next. So what are the meanings of these children? You know, no? Let us recall once again. Chubby means plump and rounded. Right children? Fat. Hungry means it's a feeling or showing need for food. Right children? Next, nibble means take small bites out of. Right? Next, lunch. Lunch means it is a afternoon meal. Right? Afternoon meal. Next, let us see. Let's answer. So here in let's answer, which vegetable did the bunny have for his lunch? Which vegetable children? Yes. What is this? In the picture you can see now. What is this? Which vegetable? Yes, carrot. Very good. So here we should draw this one and we should color. Right? So what is that? Carrot. Spelling C-A-R-R-O-T. Right children? So we should draw this. You know no? And next, write down the names of these vegetables. So here they have given some vegetables. We should write these vegetables names. Right children? Let us read this once again. What is this? Tomato. Spelling T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Next, what is this? Which vegetable? Brinjal. Very good. Spelling B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Next, what is this children? It is looking like, it's like a carrot only. Right? So what is this children? Radish. Right? What is the spelling? R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Next. What is this? Cabbage. Very good. Spelling C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Next, last one. What is this? What is this? Potato. Very good. What is the spelling? P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Right children? So learn the spellings of these vegetables. Okay children? So let us see. this poem once again. Unit 7. A chubby little snowman. A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit, and what do you suppose? That hungry little bunny, looking for his lunch, ate the snowman's carrot nose. Nibble, nibble, crunch. By Anonymous. Right, children? So read this poem once or twice. Memorize this poem, children. Okay? And learn the spellings of new words and the names of these vegetables and also spellings of these vegetables also. Okay, children? Have a good day. Take care.